Welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to change the language on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to open up the Settings app. We're going to go down to General, and then we're going to go to Language and Region. And here at the top, we can change the iPhone language, which will change the language on your iPhone throughout all of your apps. And maybe you can use this if you're learning another language and you want to go into all of your other apps with a different language and see different words as you're learning the language, or maybe you're bilingual and you want to change your language. Whatever it is, this is how you change it in this menu. That is it. That is how you change the language on your iPhone 13 Pro.